I'm doing an unboxing of this mouthguard designed for snoring, and I'll be testing it over the next few days. Right out of the package, it comes with everything you need, including a protective case, which makes it easy to store and keep clean when not in use. The setup looks pretty straightforward, the design feels practical in regular use. I always appreciate when product includes the keys, accessories needed to get started right away without extra steps. I'm going to try this consistently for a few days to see how it performs, and I may come back later with a second review. So far, it looks very convenient, ready to use, the right materials, ready to go.